Hello there, in this video I will show you how to check the phone model number of a Vivo phone or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Open the camera of your phone and take a picture. Now view the picture. Tap here to open the details. As you can see here, your phone models and other info is showing here. Method number 2. Go to settings. Find out the about phone or system management. Open it. On the about phone, you will find the model number and more software info. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then please consider a subscription to this channel for the more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.